Welcome students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is indices. Okay, here we will see the base and index. Now what is base and what is index, that we will understand. For that, first we will understand the concept of indices. Okay, then here, suppose what is given here, each of 7 children was given 4 notebooks, means one child given 4 notebooks, and 7 children means 4 plus 4 plus 4. You have to add 4 7 times. Okay, then here we will get 28. The same we will write as, that is 4 into 7. If we multiply 4 into 7, then we will get 28. Okay, now here this is the revision part. Now we will move to the base and index. Now here you can see here 2 is multiplied 8 times. 2 is multiplied 8 times. Okay, then here this we can write as 2 is to 8. This we can write as 2 is to 8, means here you are multiplying 2 multiplying 8 times. Now the 2 is called the base and 8 is the index. This 2 is the base and 8 is the index. Okay, here it is written index or exponent, that you have. Okay, you can write 8 as an index or exponent. Now here based upon this, see here what is given here, a raised to m. What is, we will read it as a raised to the power m. Okay, or mth power of a, means here see 2 raised to 8 can be read it as 8th power of 2. 8th power of 2. Okay, clear? Now based upon this we will start our practice set. Now this is the practice set 26. Now see here, in the practice set 26, this is given in the index form. Okay, this is called the index form. Now here 3 is the base and 4 is the index, and in multiplication form we will write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, means 3 you have to write 4 times, and if you multiply it, then the value you will get after multiplying this, you will get 81. Now similarly here 16 raised to 3, then what is base here? 16 is the base and index is 3. Okay, and in multiplication form we will write as 16 into 16 into 16. Okay, and if you multiply 16 into 16 into 16, the value you will get, that is 4096. Now here it is given, what is given in the third question? The base is given and the index is given. Then what is the base? Then first we will write the base, that is minus 8 raised to, here we are putting the minus sign, that's why we are putting here the bracket, and after that we will write the index here. Okay, now in multiplication form we will write as minus 8 into minus 8, put bracket over here for the minus sign. Now when you are multiplying minus into minus, then it will become plus. Okay, then that is equals to 8 8s are 64. Okay, now in the fourth question, multiplication form is given and the value is given. Here you have to write the index form, base and the index. Then here you are multiplying 3 upon 7 4 times. That means your base is 3 upon 7 and you are multiplying it 4 times. That means raised to 4. And what is your base? That is 3 upon 7. And what is your index? That is 4. Clear? Now in the fifth one, what is the base? That is minus 13 is the base and index is 4. And what is the multiplication form? That is minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. After multiplying it 4 times, yes, here you can see 13 minus 13 is multiplying 4 times. That means the value you will get, that is plus. Okay, then 13 into 13, that is 169 into 169. After multiplication, here you will get 28,000 561. Okay. Now similarly we have to solve the second question. What is the second question? Find the value. Find the value of 2 raised to 10. Okay. Then here second question, find the value. Practice set 26. Okay, then the first one, that is 2 raised to 10. Then here what will be the multiplication form of this? That is, you have to multiply 2 10 times. Okay, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then when you will multiply it 10 times, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256, here you are getting 256, and here 2 2s are 4. Okay, then just multiply it. That is 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 20 22, and here that is 2220, sorry, here extremely sorry, that is 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, 2, and here carry 2, means the 4 2s are 8, plus 2, that is 10. Then your answer is 1024. Okay, now see the next one. What is the next question? That is 5 raised to 3. Means here you have to multiply them. What is the multiplication of this? That is 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, then 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Then this is the value of this one. Now see the next one, that is the third one, minus 7 raised to 4. Okay, that means minus 7 you have to multiply it 4 times. Okay, then here minus minus will become plus, and 7 7s are 49. Here also minus minus will plus, and 7 7s are 49. 49 into 49 is 2401. Okay, 2401. Now see the fourth one. In the fourth question, what is that? Minus 6 raised to 3. Minus 6 raised to 3. Now here minus 6 you have to multiply how many times? That is 3 times. This is a multiplication form. Okay. Now here minus sign you are multiplying 3 times, means odd numbers. Then the whatever answer you will get, that is in minus. Okay, or you can write it as, that is 6 6 are 36, and minus minus will become plus. Okay, and here you are multiplying it by minus. Okay, minus 6. Then here plus minus will become minus, and 6 6 are 36 plus 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, that is 21. Then your answer is 216, that is minus 216. Okay, similarly you have to solve fifth one, sixth one. Now here you can see the index is 1. Then here you can write it as, that is, see here the for sixth one. What is that? 8 raised to 1, that is equals to 8. This is your answer. Okay, now in the next one, here 4 upon 5 raised to 3. Seventh one, 4 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, this is your question. That means 4 upon 5 you have to multiply it by 3 times. This is a multiplication form. Then in multiplication, numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator we multiply with denominator. That means 4 into 4 into 4, and here 5 into 5 into 5. that is 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, and here 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. This is your answer. Now similarly the seventh one is your homework. Okay, now just remember here this, just read this point, means 3 raised to 2 means 3 into 3, or we can, when the index is 2, we will read it as square. When index is 2, we will read it as square. Okay, and when index is 3, we will read it as cube. Okay, here see here, the second power of any number is the square of that number. Just mark this point. And the third power, okay, this is the, sorry, here third power of any number is the cube of that number. Okay, now we will move to the next practice set, that is practice set 27. Here we will see how to multiply to index form. Okay, means here we have to multiply 7:4 and 7:2. Okay, for this there is a formula. This formula you have to see, that is a raised to m into a raised to m is equals to a raised to m plus n. Means when you are multiplying two indices, then that time their power will get added. Okay, then based upon this we will solve the next practice set. Okay, then here practice set 27. What is our formula? In before start this practice set, here you have to write the formula, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to m plus n. Means when the base is same, base of this indices is same, that time your what is that, index will get added. Okay, then here the based upon this we will solve the formula, that is sum, that is 7:4 into 7:2. Then here the base is same. Okay, then this will write it as it is, and here we will add the power, that is 4 plus 2, that is 7:6, and we use this formula. Then here you have to write the formula, that is a raised to m plus a raised to n equals to a raised to m plus n. Okay, now see the next one, the second one, that is minus 11 raised to 5 plus minus 11 raised to 2. Okay, here again the base is same, that means we will write it as it is, and index will get added, that is 5 plus 2. Then what will come, that is minus 11 raised to 7. Okay, in every here you have to write the formula. Okay, then only you will learn the formula. When you will write it many times, then only you will get remember. Okay, now see the third one. Here also what is the third question? That is 6/7 raised to 3 into 6/7 raised to 5. Okay, then here the base is 6/7, then we will write it as and add the index, that is 3 plus 5. Then what is your answer? That is 1/6/7, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, here also write the same formula. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the next one. Here see the fourth one. What is that? Minus 3/2 raised to 5 into minus 3/2 raised to 3. Okay, now here also what we will do, this is our base, then we will write it as it is and we will add the index, that is 5 plus 3. Then our answer is minus 3 upon 2 raised to 8. Okay. Similarly, solve the fifth and the sixth one. Okay. With this, these two practice set is over. Now, in the next practice set, in the next video, we will see the practice set 28. Here we have to divide. Okay. In this, we have multiply. In the next one, we will divide. Okay. Multiplication of indices. Here we will see the division of the indices. Okay.